We're factoring trinomials that are in the form. All of these are in the form x squared plus bx plus c, okay? Because there's no coefficient of x squared, it's just a 1. So anything in this form, we use the product and sum method that we just went over. So we're looking for, and I always like to make this chart, we're looking for two things that multiply together to give us which letter, B or C?
C.
Good. So C. Okay, so it's going to be two things that multiply together to give us positive 10, whatever the two numbers are. But the two numbers, when we add them together, what do they have to add up to? Which letter?
B.
Good. They have to add up to B, which is positive 7, okay? So we'll start by listing what times what is 10. And this one's easy because it's positive.
1 times 10 is
Yeah,
10.
1 times 10 is 10. Also, negative 1 times
use
negative
negatives as
10,
well.
right? Because two negatives make a positive.
That's what I was thinking. I'm like, wait,
Yeah.
which position to, and then you can use positives too,
Right.
So,
Two positives make a positive because the sign's positive,
yeah.
and two negatives make a positive. What else can you multiply to give you 10?
Can you do that same one?
Are all the factors of positive 10, okay? We're going to add them up to see what the sum is. Well, what's 1 plus 10?
10. Sorry, what am I saying? 11.
Good. What's negative 1 plus negative 10 is going to be negative 11. Good.
Oh, because isn't a negative positive?
What's the sum of, what's 2 plus 5?
Um,
And this was positive.
6, 7.
Good, and it's positive, right? Positive 7. And what's negative 2 plus negative 5 is going to be
negative 7.
good. Well, we are trying to look for a sum that adds up to positive 7. Well, all of these multiply to give us this. Which one adds up to get negative 7? Which answer?
Positive 2 and positive 5.
Good. So we'll
When
circle
you add
this.
them is the 7.
Yep, because 2 plus 5 is 7. So that's our answer. These are our two factors, okay? So now we know, well, we need to write this in factored form. So something times something, because factored form is written as a product. Well, because this is just x squared, what times?
We need 2 x's.
Yeah, so we need 2 x's. X times x is x squared. And then you look here.
It's going to be plus 2.
Yeah.
And then plus 5.
And that's it. Then we're done. We'll check to see if this answer is correct. So according to our answer, x plus 2 times x plus 5 is the exact same thing as x squared plus 7x plus b, right? Well, let's check. Let's expand. This was in your questions also. Expand and simplify. First terms.
The FOIL.
Yeah, FOIL. What are the first terms? X times x.
X squared.
Good. Then what do I multiply next? X times
5.
good. X times positive 5 is
It's gonna be
positive
5. Oh,
5x,
X.
right?
Oh, yeah,
X
so
times
keep the
5,
X.
good. Then what am I going to multiply?
The 2 times x.
Good. And it's positive 2 times x is positive,
2x.
good. And then finally,
X times 5.
we already
Oh,
multiplied the
sorry.
x's, so
Sorry, it's 2.
times 5
Oh, so
is,
that x never gets to the 5, right?
2 times 5 is
It's
positive,
2x.
no, the
Oh,
last
sorry.
one, 2 times 5.
Oh, 2 times 5, sorry, 10, yeah.
Good.
Oh,
And then we
you
can
gave
combine our
us-
like terms. These terms are alike, right?
Mhm.
These two terms can go together, so we can simplify this, and we have x squared plus, what's 5x plus 2x?
7x.
Plus
Plus
10. That was the original
Oh.
question, so we know that this has to be correct. It's
You
written
made
in
so much
factored form.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.